So what's going on? Hey. Apparently, we're in Orlando. It's his birthday. This is so those of you guys who don't know, this is George, aka Jorge Masduro. But I'm here in Orlando. We're gonna get into some shit. So stay tuned. Well, apparently we're hitting up Drive Shack. Let's see how that is. So looks like we're going to the 3rd floor to meet up the boys. Let's go. Alright, so the boys are back in town. Went ahead and got the bay.
Saturday for the boys!
Yeah. So what we're doing today is we're at this is called Drive Shack. We're over here dropping it like it's hot. You guys already know. Check it out.
Oh, now you're recording?
Oh, that shit was out of there. Birthday boy's turn. Gonna get a swing in. 4. So we got relocated. We were on the 3rd floor initially. Now we are in the 2nd floor. I got Javier over here doing his thing, getting everything ready, situated. I'm about to whack some shit.
Oh yeah!
4. Just so you guys know, Saturdays are for the boys. They got matching fucking Batman things. Alright.
Oh wait.
I'm gonna tuck it in right now. Apparently I'm Gino. Oh, hold on. He's gonna take my place. Alright. So, even though it is Jorge Masduro's birthday, go ahead and record yourself real quick. My birthday. How you doing? Alright, really sloppy camera work. But anyways, I got a little present myself. Jorge Masduro decided to hook me up with a little gift because I've been hooking him up, whatever. I got me a gimbal. So, the rest of the video from now on will be on this stabilization device, gimbal, aka. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out as we keep whacking shit. So you already know what it is. Alright, so I went ahead and opened this box. I'm gonna show you exactly the camera equipment I'm using. I use camera equipment to do my Drive Miami car review videos, but at times, there are times where I actually do use my phone. It's a little bit of both. So here we have the actual gimbal that I'm using. Basically, it's a simple phone gimbal. It's nothing crazy. This one is in black. The one I normally use is in gray. This one I bought today is in black. Basically, it's very simple to set up. You got to basically put the phone into it, set it up, and once the phone's set in place and everything's balanced, you go ahead and hit this little red button right here. Everything turns on, and once it turns on, you're able to record. So let's go ahead and put you on the gimbal. Well, all right, guys. Now you guys are on the vlog video. Got you guys on the gimbal so you guys can see my face a little better. We got the people out here. Nobody's hitting quite yet, as you may see. We got Hav jumping on right now. Actually, nope, I'm lying. Not Hav. But we're gonna go hit some balls. You already know. Whack some shit. All right, let's hit it. Swing and a miss. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
It's hard.
You can do it. This gentleman over here, if you guys haven't know or probably don't know, this is the owner of the WRX I reviewed. Just wait for the near future. More shit's gonna happen. I can't say. But just know a lot of stuff's gonna happen in the near future. More car reviews, crazy cars. You know it. All right, we got more people decided to show up. We got the crew here.
What's up?
You guys already know. Hey.
What's up, brother?
We got more people coming up. This is my dog Chris. He's been a long time friend. We're gonna actually, like I said, we're gonna wax some shit. You guys already know. As you see, the game is played Shaq.
Like Englewood.
Yes, SHA, and yeah. I rotate this bitch. Oh no, you gotta grab it. Don't do that.
Is that a handle or a vibrator? What
Alright,
is it?
so hold on, we gotta change it up.
Shit happens.
So we're about to see a shitty job I'm about to do right now. I got my wood right here. Let's see what happens.
Oh, no. You gotta go all the way to the red.
Oh, red. We're going red.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Alright, let's hear it again.
It's like shooting blanks.
That shit was pretty as fuck. Bullshit. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, old fart. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Go George, it's your birthday. Go George, it's your birthday.
Go Sheila! Go Sheila!
Come on, blow it like you normally do.
Damn!
Hey! All right, so it's getting a little later. We've been here for at least 2 hours now. Been swinging. I think it's my turn. I'm talking to the people of Facebook. I'm talking. Let me rephrase it. The people of YouTube. This is the people of YouTube right here. Right here. This is it.
I don't know where you've been, George. I mean, I know where you've been. I don't know where you've been, dude.
So, it's George's birthday. He decided to whip out party bags. And in these party bags
We'll do an ass eating contest.
are hospital barf bags. Right?
Hey, I'm an ass.
Shots of fucking drinks. And not to mention spicy ass food. Right? No, it gets better. It gets better. We're missing the Mexican candy. Hold on. There's Mexican candy here. 100. There's Mexican. Oh, there it goes. Right here. Look. Lucas Lollipops.
Lucas.
I mean, this guy should have been born Mexican.
more.
Wait, no.
But he is Mexican.
He is Mexican.
His penis is.
Beef in your taco. Oh man. Well, happy birthday to this thing right here. So night hasn't ended yet. We got everybody here. About to hit up some more spots, but you guys already know. Stay tuned. Now we're in spot number 2. We got the people here. We're having a great time. Having a few drinks. I'm with the dog Manuel. Manuel, say what's up to the Drop Miami people. You guys already know.
When it's red,
Spot number 3. Spot number 3. Hey. Spot number 3. Number 3, not 1, not 2, number 3. Hey. Shots! Hey! So we are on our way to spot number 4, and we happen to come across something pretty fucking
Yeah,
cool.
you guys are gonna like the inside.
Yeah. What's the name of this place? Huh?
Bar, I'm lounge.
Well, whatever lounge bar this is, there's a bunch of fucking cars in here, and that's where we're going. So you already know. So we can't walk in here right now, but we got all kinds of men. big fancy cars. I have no idea what some of these are. They look like MGs, things of that, minis, things of that nature. But so far so good. You guys already know. The camera shot over here, bro. Say what's up to everybody.
Yo, Wakanda, motherfuckers.
It's his birthday. Don't mind him. He's drunk. The best part is we got a rotating Ferrari just chilling there like it's all good. You guys already know. And spot number 3. I'm sorry, it says spot number 3. Spot number 4. And we're out here, rooftop. You already know. Once again. All right, so it looks like it's spot number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't even know. 5. We're going to spot number 5. We're going to go there now. Got the people behind me. Yep, number 5. Let's go. Alrighty. So, the main reason why I came here, we're going to put on some wheels. Basically, what we're doing right now is we're going to put on some RPF1's on this FRS, the same RPF1's that we saw that was on the blue car review, the blue WRX. We're going to test fit them, see if they fit, and if they fit, it's going to be on this car. So, let's do it. Alright, so basically what we're trying on the wheel, making sure it fits. It seems like it's hub centric, but we need to put these other lug nuts on just to make sure they fit because they have extended travel. And just in case if these are too short, we're still going to have the wheel on, but it's going to wobble like crazy because it's not necessarily going to be on. So let's try to try and hope that these things fit. So, let's see. Damn right it fits. Actually, they do. They fit. Whatever you want, because I got to edit footage anyways, homie.
That one of your studs is broken?
Yeah. George got defeated by a stud. That's all I got to say.
That happened recently.
You let that stud beat your ass. How you gonna let a stud defeat you, George, bro? How, bro?
No.
How? It's a stud, bro. How you gonna let a stud defeat you, bro?
That was
That looks good. It looks like a more like actual racy than stance or anything like that, you know? No, but these are nice wheels. I'll push it aside. These are actually good shit. These are good wheels. That doesn't look too bad so far.
No, Steve, say something to all your followers.
Subscribe.
Say something.
Alright. So let's go ahead and bring this car down a little bit so we can tighten up the bolts. Let's see if it fits, which I think it's gonna fit. It's hopefully you got clearance and shit, so.
Say what's up to his followers. Hey.
What up? Hey.
No,
Keep a lookout for that man. That's all I gotta tell you. That man's dangerous. He looks innocent, but he's dangerous. So, as we're doing this, something I haven't mentioned that's been right in front of me the whole entire time that I think is actually pretty cool. Check this thing out. This is the man who I told you not to sleep on. I told you he's dangerous. There's a reason. Not just because of this, but multiple other reasons. Basically, this is a Indian Scout motorcycle with what kind of exhaust?
Dirty bird.
With a Dirty Bird exhaust. I guess bird is the word. That matches because I am yellow, right? But let's see. Let me hear that thing, bro. Did that little at the end. Like it just took a nice little sip of gas. Alright, let's continue.
Go.
So, moment of truth. Let's see. Which it should fit. Oh, actually, that's pretty square. That doesn't look bad at all. Hey, how? Check that out, dude. That doesn't look bad. When we bring the e-brake down, it's gonna come down a little bit. Oh, he looks like tuner. You know what I'm saying? He looks like a tuner now. He's still into the right stuff, by the way. That looks good. And with the tire size, it's fine. It raised your car up a little bit, though. Well, all in all, that's not bad at all, dude. Obviously, we need a wash, so it's dirty. But obviously, when you wash it, it's gonna look real, real good. It's matching the color of the car and everything. It's not looking bad at all, if you ask me. I think it's looking A1. All that's left really is to give it a drive. So, what you thinking, George?
I'm sitting high on it.
Yeah, he's sitting kind of high right now, but we'll solve that issue a little later on. It's no big deal. Nothing I can't solve. But looking good. All right, so like I said, I'm here in Orlando. We bring RPF1's into a FRS. I think it looks amazing. I like them on the Subi. I like them on this car. Still just as nice. To me, it matches the paint, so it's a little different. You know, not like the Subi. It's more like just a clear, everything gray type car. Like I said, I like them. Tell me what you guys think. If you like them, you don't like them, let me know. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here because in a little bit I gotta head back home. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. You guys already know what it is. Drive Miami.